Hi everyone, Harrison here from LED Torch Shop, here with a WUBEN searchlight, hunting light, long distance light, as you will. It's called the WUBEN H8. Now it's a really cool light. We've kind of got sort of used to these lights, I think. Recently a lot of companies are sort of bringing them out. This one in particular is 1800 lumens and it's rated at 1000 meters, but it's probably more usable around that 400 to 500 meter range. I found it really nice out at that. What you get in a nice hard case. You get your user manual, a little like top end nylon pouch, and then it's all sort of set out here. So it is rechargeable, but not inside the torch. So they do include a charger, dual base smart charger, and then you get your two WUBEN batteries. 18650 this is running off, and then you obviously get your sort of longer searchlight tactical light. So jump right into it. You get your charging cable, couple low rings, lanyard and things like that. But getting right into the torch, really cool. It's got a beautiful reflector on it, really deep set, so it is really concentrated. Does have some spill, which I didn't find too bad, because I find these lights you do want a bit of spill, especially if you're sort of searching around, wildlife spotting, hunting, such and such. You kind of want that spill to sort of see your peripherals as well. Got different modes, so it's got a clicky on and off at the back. You got your cigar grip there, and then you got a mode switch at the front. So rear switch is just a memory one, so whatever you've got it set on, you can just click it on and off and go straight in those modes. So a few specs on it though. It's running on a CREE XHP35HI LED, which is a really nice chip, D-dome chip, so it's really throwy. It's a cool white, but I found it does have sort of a more mellowy tinge to it, so it's really nice color rendering actually. So out of distance, it does provide a really nice sort of field of view, as you will, and not so harsh cool white. Around IPX6 rated, so waterproof rating, so that's about 2 meters submersible for about an hour, 1 meter impact resistant, and like all the WUBEN products, they're on a 5-year warranty, so really quality gear. We've only sort of just got them in, so I've had these ones for a couple of weeks now. I've been able to play with them and have a good look, and yeah, really loving what they're doing. This one itself's got some really nice heat sink at the front, so you're going to be able to have this on for hours at a time and not worry about it overheating or anything like that. I've had it out in sort of cooler conditions, so it hasn't really bothered me too much or dropped down or anything like that. Run times though, you got your low mode, which is 5 lumens for ages. Medium mode is 130 lumens for 18 hours. High mode is 500 lumens for 4.5 hours. And turbo, it gets your 1800 lumens, drops back down to 800 lumens for about 6 minutes to 180 minutes. So really long run times. You get your strobe mode as well, full 1800 lumens, and your SOS mode. But the cool thing about this is you can run other 18650s on it, so those run times probably don't mean too much if you're running extra 18650s. And you can shorten it as well, so you can, I've just got other batteries in here, but you can shorten it to a single 18650, which is really handy if you've only got sort of one battery or space for one battery. You can shorten it to a nice size and move that cigar grip down as well. So if you're interested in a smaller searchlight, yeah, really versatile. But having that that longer attachment just gives you twice the amount of runtime. So a bit of peace of mind there, really. I'll just get it on just to show you how tight that hotspot is at close distance. So I'm not too sure what we've got it set on here. So that's probably quite a high mode. So as you can see, there is a bit of spill, but the center is really tight. Get it away, there you go. So it's about the size of my hand from about 1 meter away. and a little bit of spill, but that, as I said, you kind of want that. And then that front mode is just a tap, and it just drops down, so you don't have to hold it or anything. So that's low. That's 5 lumens, which actually is quite usable because it is so concentrated and really nice. And then up again, you've got your medium mode, you've got your high mode, and then you've got your turbo. Double tap for a strobe, and then double tap again, you've got your SOS. And then you can switch it straight off at the back. So really nice light. As you can see, it's probably not super cool white, so it does offer a little bit better color rendering, I thought anyway. And that hotspot really does kick out. But yeah, 400-500 meters, super usable. Anything further, it's probably might be out of line of sight, and well, out of my line of sight anyway. But yeah, it might just sort of peter off pretty quickly after that. But yeah, definitely usable around that 400-500 meter mark. All aircraft grade aluminium, great heat sink, nice deep set LED. Can get a bunch of extras for it, like tape switches, gun mounts, mounts in general, filters. So we will have them down the line. Link to the product in the description below, so you can go check out that and all the accessories you can sort of grab with it. Comes with battery, charger, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just grab it and go. Nice handy carry case as well. USB rechargeable, that charger too, so in your car or at home, anywhere you want. But yeah, all this WUBEN stuff I've found has just been really high quality. Good stuff. A little bit of points of difference than some of the other brands, but yeah, nah, I'm really liking it. So yeah, let us know what you think. We've got new content coming out every week, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you get alerted. So thanks for watching this one, and we'll catch you on the next one.